Hello my friend, I am Pranshu from the customer success team of .com.pal. In this video, I am going to explain you how you can create the membership site and product page for selling the products or courses through .com.pal. .com.pal is beyond just building funnels and landing pages, websites and sending emails. With .com.pal, everything lives in one place, so you can get started quick and build more, sell more and grow more online. Once you log into your .com.pal account, on the left menu bar, you will see options like build, sell, grow, audience, analytics, etc. Now to create a membership site, first of all, you need to create a membership page from where your customers can access the courses which they have purchased from you. So, in order to create the membership page, you need to click on this build option. Here you will see all the pages which you have already created for your website. Now, to create a membership page, click on this new web page button and then enter the name of your page and click on create. You will be redirected to a design selection page from where you can choose any theme to create your membership page. Currently I am selecting this Affiliate Pal Member Course 1 theme as it is specially designed to create the membership page only. You can edit the page as per your requirements by uploading your course videos and with your course details. Once done, just publish this page by clicking on the publish button. Here I suggest you to make your membership page status as a members only so that only the customers who have purchased the courses from you can access it. Then you can select when you want to publish it and then click on publish. Your page will get published and you will get message that your page will be published successfully. My friend, in this way your membership page will get created successfully. Now, in the second step, we need to create the membership for the product, and to create the membership and sell the product, click on the sell option. A sell page is open where you can get the different options at the left hand side like products, memberships, orders and payment settings. To create a membership, click on membership first. Here in this membership section, you can create and manage the membership level. To create the membership level, just click on this add new level option. A pop-up window will open where it will ask you to enter the name of the level and description of your membership, and then just click on this create button and your membership level will be created. Now from here you can select the membership page which you have created and other pages as well which you want to add. Then you can also select files and folders and video and playlist as well, which access you want to give to your customers. Once done, click on this save and next option. You will get the message level access provided successfully. Now in this second step, you can integrate with e-commerce platform by click on this integrate button. Then in the same, you can integrate with any autoresponders, CRM or webinar to manage your business leads or contacts. Once done, click on save and next. Then in the last step of membership level, first you select the welcome page from this drop down. This is the page where your customers will be landed once they log in their account to access the courses. Then second, you can select the pages, files and folders, video and playlist, and then click on publish. You will get the message level created successfully. My friend, now this is the time to create a product page by adding a products. So for the same, click on products. Currently, as I am adding the product first time, you can see it says that you do not have product. Please add first product. So you need to click on this add new product button. But before adding product, I suggest that you must integrate your PayPal or Stripe payment method to sell the products and accepting the payments. Now click on this add new product button. A pop-up window will appear and it will ask you what type of new product you want to add, memberships or physical products. So click on memberships. A product page will open where you need to enter the name and other information about your product. First, you can see the name and URL of your product page here on which your added product will get live. Now, by the help of this pencil icon, you can edit and replace this default name with your product name, and you will see the same name changes in the URL as well. Once done, click on this green tick to save the changes. Now, in About Product section, you can enter the short information about your product or course in Product Summary section, and you can mention the detailed description about your membership in Membership Description section, so that anyone who wants to purchase your product get the detailed information about the product or courses which you are selling on your product page. The next is product delivery option, in which you can select the delivery mode of the product to deliver the product to customer by selecting the membership level. In case if you not created the membership before or want to create a new membership, you can also create by using this and new membership option. Then you can choose the pricing type for the product, that whether you want to give it in free or in the fixed price. If you want to give it in the fixed price, then you need to enter the price in dollar on which you want to sell it. My fellow, now in the right hand side you can set the membership limits. You can see that by default it's unlimited, but in case if you want to limit it for your customers, then you can limit it as well by entering the limit figure. Then beneath it you can upload the product image. You can upload the multiple images here and set any one image as the featured image. Also, you can delete any image by the help of this delete option if you want to delete. Then in categories section, you can choose or create the new category to segregate the products. To create a new category, click on this new category button, then enter the category name and save it. A created category will be appear in front of you. Just checkmark the checkbox to categorize the product. Then after choosing the category, you can enter the tag for your products to filter them easily. You can enter the tag as much as you want to give. Then in the last, you can set the SEO settings for your product page by entering the meta title, meta description, meta keywords, etc. And then once done, click on save. By filling all these details, your product page has ready almost. You can click on this preview button to preview product page. And then click on publish button, where you can select the status of the product detail page as public, members only or password protected. And when you want to publish this product now, or later, you can click on this save as a draft button to save it as a draft also. And to publish it, click on the publish button and you will get the message product published successfully. Now you can see here your product is live. You can see here product featured image along with product name, summary and its price. Then below this you will see the message let's start selling this product, where you can see two tabs, product page and checkout page. Under product page, you can copy and share the product page directly on different social media sites, and same in the checkout page, you can copy and share the checkout page directly on the different social media sites. Let me show you both the pages by copying the links. You can see this how your page looks after creating. So my friend, this was all about how you can create the membership and product page for selling in .com/pal. I believe this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.